is one of 3 tanks, destroyed tanks. They were destroyed by anti-tank fire.
This family has recently arrived at the refugee camp. They are frightened and alone. They are very insecure.
These schools are really going to have a huge impact. In spite of the numbers of students, in spite of the lack of resources, you can see evidence that they're starting to learn.
Children behind us are going to be the children who are going to be in this school in Chiteta. They haven't had a school here. They're going to be able to go to school for the first time in a long time.
We've also given away some hope packs today and some school supplies and books. There are 6 new teachers who are going to be starting at this school and almost 500 students.
55,000 kids are in school learning.
To school.
We believe in the power of education.
We're a product of it and benefit from it.
We read magazines, books, newspapers, directions, and instructions.
We understand basic health practices, nutrition, clean water.
We believe that education is the right of every child.
The right of every child.
If we really believe that education is the right of every child,
that education is key to breaking the cycle of poverty and despair,
we should
actually do something about it.
Actually move from ideals to action.
Actually look for ways to strengthen Angola's education system.
And that's just what we've done. RISE works to rebuild lives and communities, partnering with Angolan churches, community leaders, and government officials to build primary schools in rural Angola, bringing the opportunity to receive an education to thousands of children who would not have the opportunity for years to come. We started with a bold vision to help impact Angola through education, to give both boys and girls the chance to go to school. Now 10 years down the road, 7 years building schools, we have a track record, we have a model that works. RISE provides the funds for building materials and supplies. The community provides labor and oversight. The Ministry of Education provides and pays the teachers and supplies desks, blackboards, and textbooks. We've been helping children go to school.
My name is Elias Salvis.
I'm living here in Chulanda and I'm studying grade 8.
I am 15 years old.
I was born in Angola. My family fled to the Ngweshi refugee camp in Zambia in 2001 and returned to Chulanda, Angola in 2005. A year later, we found that some white people were coming. We did not expect that they were the same people that used to visit us at the refugee camp. I studied grades 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 in the RISE school. Now that I am in grade 8, I know how to read and write, even writing letters, reading books, and medical prescriptions. If I had not had such an opportunity to go to school, I'd not have such a dream of being an English teacher.
What's your name? My name is...
Otherwise, I'd end up being a drunkard, or somebody who steals or other bad things. Now that I'm studying, I have a future. I have a hope that I can be someone.
Thank you, Rise.
Okay, we are here at Elishera School, and a year ago, over 3,000 children had no school. Now, there is a beautiful building with lots of kids learning. Rise has made a huge difference in the lives of children here.
We are here at the village of Kahala. This is a place where there has never been a school. The school at Kahala is under construction as a result of the efforts of students and teachers at 6 U.S. high schools who have come together to make a difference in the lives of these kids. Over 600 children, some schooling under trees, are excited to have classrooms in which to meet, protected from sun, wind, and rain, and are grateful for the efforts of those who have worked to make their dream a reality. Where there were no schools, there are schools. Where there were no books, there are some. Where children had no opportunity for education, they are in school, learning to read and write, building for the future. While 60,000 children, now in 129 Rise schools, is significant, it represents only a small fraction of the huge need. Children and adults hunger for education. 4 million children are still not in school. Like Marcelino, a boy we met on the road. Why does it matter?
It's a crisis. It's their future. We
can do something about it.
Our work is not done. Help us rebuild lives and communities. One school, one classroom, one child at a time. If you spend yourselves in behalf of the hungry and satisfy the needs of the oppressed, then your light will rise in the darkness.